Hi, Year 5. Today we're going to learn about birds. This is in page 28 to 29 of your textbook. So your lesson objective is to label parts of birds, give examples of birds that can fly, and give examples of birds that cannot fly. So your steps to success is to learn characteristics of birds and learn some examples of birds that can and cannot fly. So, parts of a bird. Let's learn apa bahagian-bahagian burung ani. So first, we have the beak or dalam bahasa Melayu, paruh. Leg. So ada yang punya kaki. Wing. So if ada dua buting, wings. Sayap. And feathers, bulu pelapah. So these are the parts of a bird. So next, birds are the only animals that have a body covered with feathers. They also have two wings, two legs, and a beak. Semua burung mesti ada bulu pelapah. Nada binatang lain yang ada bulu pelapah ni. No insect, no mammal, no amphibian, no fish, and no reptile. Semua yang ada bulu pelapah adalah burung, birds. So birds reproduce by laying eggs. So here we have a bird and its eggs. And here we have a chick hatching from an egg. Okay, so most birds can fly. Some don't. Kebanyakan burung boleh terbang. Ada yang tidak dapat. So, birds that can fly are pigeons, owl, hawk, and duck. So, ani example of birds that can fly. If ia boleh terbang untuk selama 10 saat pun, macam chicken, masih kira terbang. So, chicken and peacock, walaupun sekejap kanya terbangnya, those birds can fly, boleh terbang. So, birds yang cannot fly, ani langsung bis dorang inda dapat terbang. Paling-paling pun bis dorang melumpat saja ni burung ani. Penguin, emu, kiwi, and ostrich. So, emu, ostrich, and kiwi biasanya bis dorang travel or move by walking or by running saja. Maybe they jump once in a while, but they cannot fly. Penguin, they can walk, and yang specialnya, they can swim. Okay, time for your work. Please complete activity 9 in your workbook.